Now, if you imagine that a marma point is like a spring point of energy, that the energy comes from the chakras through the channels up to the surface of the body through a marma point, that feeling of being sitting near a spring is exactly how it feels to be working with a marma. Now, each marma is also an integration of both the mind and the body. So when we work with a marma, it may have healing effects on our physical body, but it also has sometimes wonderful calming or energizing effects for our mind and feelings. The different marmani that we're going to be working with today, we're going to be demonstrating specifically so that you can see where they're located. This is integrated into the routine that you've seen. So the first marma point that we'll be working with is inviting Vata home. And if you were to find a spot about midway between your navel and your pubic bone, this spot right in the middle of your lower belly is known as basti. And if you create a sandwich with one hand resting on basti and the other cradling your sacrum at Guda, the marma point known as Guda, it's an ideal calming and soothing position for calming Vata. And we'd be singing Vata home. I haven't said this actually, each of the doshas has a home site in the body. So every single dosha moves throughout the body, and yet there's a place where they can come home and rest. And in the case of Vata, this spot is here in the lower abdomen. And one mantra, one bija to sing, to mentally invite Vata home is Ram 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 Ram. Likewise, Pitta has a home site which rests right around the navel. And this is a marma point known as Nabi. And if we gently massage in a clockwise direction around our navel and resting our other hand at the small of our back so that we're creating something like a Pitta sandwich, we can sing Pitta home with the song Shri. Now, I haven't said a whole lot about the use of bija mantras, bija seed syllables, and yet each of the sounds also has properties of warmth or cooling, strengthening. And so each of these particular seed syllables are designed to be optimally healing for the doshas and the dhatus that they're associated with. So you notice now that we've brought our hands up to the center of our chest to a point known as Hridaya. And Hridaya is very lovely for inviting Kapha home. And we'll sing it home with one Om.